So, hello students, hope you are all well. So, today we will discuss about CMAT, Common Management Admission Test. Yes, CMAT is the most common entrance test among AICTE approved colleges. So, more than 1000 colleges are there where you can apply with CMAT score. So in today's video, we will talk about CMAT syllabus, we will talk about CMAT application requirements, we will talk about CMAT eligibility criteria. So watch this video till the end and also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive alerts and updates on MBA entrance examination, and also share Apna College Net YouTube channel link with your friends. So students, we will start discussing about CMAT. CMAT is a national level entrance examination for admission to management programs in India. CMAT score is used as one of the selection criteria for admission in AICTE approved CMAT enlisted business school. The full form of CMAT is Common Management Admission Test. This test is of 3 hours duration. It is a computer-based online test and it is conducted to evaluate the candidate's aptitude across various sections like quantitative techniques, reasoning, language comprehension and general awareness. Now, 2018 onwards, CMAT used to be conducted by All India Council for Technical Education. Now, 2019 onwards, NTA has started conducting CMAT examination. As I told you, CMAT score is accepted by AICTE approved institutions for their PGDM program and university departments, university constituent colleges and university affiliated colleges for their MBA program. So, CMAT 2022 will also be conducted by NTA. Now let us look into CMAT eligibility criteria. In order to apply for CMAT, you need to be a graduate in any discipline from any recognized university under UGC University Grants Commission. If you are appearing in the final year of bachelor's degree, you are also eligible to apply. Moreover, you need to be a citizen of India only, and there is no age restriction for appearing in CMAT. So, let us have a look on the CMAT examination fee. So, CMAT examination fee or the application fee varies as per the category of candidates. So, if you are a general category candidate, the CMAT application fee will be 2000 rupees only. If you belong to OBC NCL category or scheduled caste category or scheduled tribe category, or you are a general EWS category student or physically handicapped student, in that case CMAT application fee will be 1000 rupees, and for transgender applicants their application fee for CMAT will be 1000 rupees. Now we will go through the CMAT test pattern and syllabus. CMAT question paper shall be in English only, and in CMAT there will be 4 sections. So, quantitative techniques and data interpretation, that is the first section, and here we have 25 questions and each question carries 4 marks. So, total marks allocated in this section is 100. The second section is logical reasoning section, where also we have 25 questions and 4 marks each. So, total marks allocated is 100. And in the general awareness section as well, there are 25 questions and total marks allocated will be 100 as well. And in the language comprehension section also there are 25 questions and total marks allocated is 100. So in CMAT, there will be 100 questions and there will be 400 total marks in the examination. Now, let us look into the CMAT marking scheme. As I told you before that in CMAT, each question carries 4 marks and for each correct response, you will get 4 marks in CMAT. So for each correct response, you will get +4 and for each incorrect response, there will be a deduction of 1 mark. So clearly it indicates that CMAT carries negative marking. If you can't answer or do not attempt any question, there will be no marks given. However, in case if there is any question which is dropped due to technical error, full marks shall be given to all the candidates who have attempted it. And this is a multiple choice question, and of course to answer you have to select the correct answer. And after the CMAT examination, on the stipulated date, NTA will release the answer key. And there is also the process of challenging the answer key as well. So after the examination, CMAT result will be declared on CMAT NTA website and candidates are advised to apply separately to the preferred CMAT participating institutions with the CMAT score. So after the result, each participating institution enlisted under CMAT, they will release their cutoff CMAT score and which the candidate needs to score in the CMAT examination. Once shortlisted by CMAT score, the candidate has to go through the rest of the selection procedure like WAT or GD or personal interview. So CMAT actually is treated as one of the important parameters in the selection process. So let us quickly go through the top college list under CMAT examination. As I told you, CMAT is a national level entrance examination and CMAT score is accepted by 1000 plus AICTE approved business schools across the country. So if you talk about the top college, let us first take the name of 4-5 institutes which are featured under the top colleges under CMAT. So the top colleges accepting CMAT score feature JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj, Mumbai. So this is one institute which accepts CMAT score apart from CAT. Pumba. This is another top institute or in the list accepting CMAT score. Simsri, Goa Institute of Management, Wellinger, Mumbai, BIMTech, KJ Somaya. So these are few of the colleges which are enlisted under CMAT and you can apply to these colleges via your CMAT score. The list is exhaustive. If you have any query regarding particular college, whether they accept CMAT score or not, you can interact with us on our social media handle given in the description box. You can also ping us on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. Now we will discuss how to apply for CMAT. Look, CMAT application is completely online. So you have to visit the website. The website link I have given over here and also in the description box. So you have to log in to cmat.nta.nic.in. In this portal, you have to apply. Now there should be one application form per candidate. If you want to go for multiple application form from a single candidate, actually it will be rejected. Now let us have a quick look on the application requirements. Now if you talk about the application requirements, you need to have government ID proof. Now in this category or document, you can consider Aadhaar card, election ID card, PAN card. So any ID proof which is issued by Government of India, that is will be considered in the CMAT application. You need to have a scanned passport size photograph in JPG or JPEG format, and your photograph scan size should be between 10 KB to 200 KB. So be sure to scan it. And also you need to sign in English on a piece of paper, and that should be scanned in again in JPG or JPEG format, and the file size should be in between 4 KB to 30 KB. You also need to have a valid email ID which is actually used by you with user ID and password. You need to also have a valid mobile number where all the communication regarding CMAT will be sent to you by NTA. And also regarding examination fee payment, you need to have your debit or credit card ready. Now I will take you through a quick tour how to apply for CMAT. So here in the CMAT online application, I have divided it into few steps. In step 1, you need to first register using your mobile number and email ID. Once your registration is complete, you are moving on to step 2, where you need to log in and you need to fill your online application form. Once you finish your online application form, the system will generate an application number which you need to note down very clearly. In the step 3, you need to upload the documents. As I told you, the recent photograph of scanned within JPG or JPEG format within 10 KB to 200 KB. Now there is specification also regarding this photograph. It needs to be either in color or black and white, and your face should be 80% exposed, that is, it should be without mask and it should be visible clearly, including ears, and against a white background. So stick to the specifications as well. And your candidate scan signature again in JPEG or JPG format with 4 KB to 30 KB size, that is the second document you are going to upload. In case you are claiming that you are from reserve category, then the document proof also you need to upload. In the next step, that is the last step, step 4, you need to pay the application fee. And you can pay your application fee based on your category, 2000 rupees or 1000 rupees, using SBI, HDFC Bank, Paytm Payment Gateway, through net banking, debit card or credit card or UPI wallet. And also you need to take the printout once your fees is paid. And let me tell you that all these 4 steps of CMAT application, it can be done together or at separate timings. So the submission of CMAT application will be considered successful and a candidature will be confirmed only on the successful transaction or receipt of the prescribed CMAT application fee from the student. So that is how you proceed with CMAT online application. So friends, that was all the details about CMAT. So CMAT 2022 notification is not yet out. Once it will be out, we will put a new video on how to fill up CMAT 2022 application form. If you want to know more about other MBA entrance tests, you can look into the playlist of this YouTube channel Apna College Net, where we have detailed video on SNAP, CAT, NMAT, MAT and other MBA entrance tests. And if you have any queries, you can interact with us on our social media handles given in the description box. And also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel and share it with your friends, and press the bell icon to receive updates and alerts whenever new video is uploaded in this YouTube channel. Thank you and all the best.